Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 5 EM, welcome to our online class. Today our subject is Islam and moral teaching, and from this subject we shall try to solve the exercise from chapter 3. Exercise from chapter 3. So open your book to page 89. To page 89. First of them, objective questions, that means multiple choice questions. You don't need to write this type of question in exam, but you have to learn this information for other questions. So first of them, what is akhlaq? Number 1, what is akhlaq? There are 4 options here. The answer will be behavior. Behavior, because akhlaq is not only good manner, it also bad conducts. That's why akhlaq means behavior. Number 2, how do we help an unemployed person? Unemployed person best. How can you help? There are 4 options here. Number A, provide a job. Provide a job. This is the main thing, and it is the correct answer. Number 3, what is meant by patriotism? What is meant by patriotism? Patriotism means to love the country intensely. To love the country intensely, that means to love your country willingly. Number 4, where did the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam migrate to? There are 4 options here. Right of them, Taif. Right of them, Taif. Number B. From number 5, what does Allah do when a man repents after a misdeed? What does Allah do when a man repents after a misdeed? Right answer, forgives him. Allah will forgive him. Number 6, what one should do with others in doing good deeds? In doing good deeds. Rebuke, beat, command, cooperate. Obviously, cooperate. We should cooperate them. Number 7, what does honesty mean? What does honesty mean? Forbearance, simplicity, uprightness, prevention. So, right answer will be uprightness. Uprightness. 8 number, in which place Hazrat Bayezid Bustami was resident? There are 4 options here also. Right answer, number A, Iran. In Iran. It may be a short question. That's why we are learning them. Those statement in this, man gets what he strives for. Human being, angel, great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Allah. Obviously, this statement is from Allah. Right answer D. 10 number, what is called human rights of man? There are 4 options also. Right answer will be human rights. That means number B. 11 number, which one is an element of natural environment? Which one is an element of natural environment? A, window, building, door, trees and plants. Very easy. Right answer, trees and plants. Number 12, which is not considered to be a natural disaster? plowing them, which is not considered to be a natural disaster. Obviously, conflagration. Conflagration is not the natural disaster. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. You know there will be 12 fill in the blanks in the exam. Number 1, he whose conduct is good behaves dash with all. Behaves well. Number 1, the answer of dash will be well. WELL. Number 2, man will show dash to all creations of Allah. Man will show dash mercy. Man will show mercy to all creations of Allah. Mercy. 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 Number 3, patriotism is a part of dash. Obviously, it is very easy. Part of Iman. 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 Number 4, after the conquest of Mecca, great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam dash all inhabitants of Mecca. Forgave. Past form of forgive. Forgave. 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 Number 5, honesty gives dash man. Honesty gives dash man. Here you can use a word. Honesty gives freedom. Freedom to men. Honesty gives freedom to men. In this way, you have to write down the answer. Number 6, heaven of children rest under the dash of mothers. Under the feet of mothers. Key to success is made of dash. Is made of labor. Made of labor. Now matching. Match the words on the right with those on the left side. Number 1, best among you is he whose character is dash. So from right hand side we shall select answer. Again, best among you is he whose character is, from right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 option. Option 5, most beautiful. Most beautiful. Question number 2, on who does not show mercy to Allah. Allah, option 1 from right hand side, does not show mercy. Allah does not show mercy. Our land of birth is, from right hand side it is very easy, the last option, Bangladesh. Question number 4, Allah has for him who forgives. Allah has option 2, Allah has reward. Question number 5, we all shall in the dustbin. We all shall in the dustbin. That means we all shall throw garbage in the dustbin. So right answer, throw garbage. Next and last, you will cooperate each other. You will cooperate each other in good deeds. In good deeds. You will write the matching, make a sentence from left hand and right hand. Make a sentence, and you can use a hyphen between the two parts of sentence. Next short question. By this time I have given all the answer of these short questions in our website, and also video class, previous video class. Obviously you will try to collect that sheet and answer, and if you don't get any answer of the questions, obviously you will write down a comment in our video class. No more today. In the next class we shall discuss the rest of the question or exercise. Thank you very much.